The communication abilities of marine cyanobacteria have been unveiled in a recent study. Greetings, everyone. Today, our video centers around an intriguing discovery made by Maria del Carmen Munoz, a researcher at the University of Cordoba 3 years ago. While examining the vesicles of marine cyanobacteria under an electron microscope, she stumbled upon a surprising find. These organisms, responsible for generating over half of the Earth's oxygen, contained structures that had previously only been observed in other types of bacteria. This groundbreaking revelation challenges the notion that cyanobacteria function independently and suggests the possibility of a network among them. A recent study has revealed that marine cyanobacteria communicate through membrane nanotubes, enabling the transfer of materials between cells. The research team, comprised of experts from various fields, conducted experiments that confirmed the exchange of materials between cells of both the same and different lineages. Further investigations are underway to unravel the purpose and implications of this communication mechanism in these vital photosynthetic organisms. Without any delay, let us dive into our discussion. The peculiar formations in question are referred to as membrane nanotubes, and their significance lies in their ability to facilitate the transfer of materials among living organisms. Through the creation of a connecting bridge, akin to a hose, these tiny tubes enable the transfer of substances between adjacent cells of cyanobacteria. This groundbreaking study marks the first instance of direct physical contact between these organisms since their discovery. Researcher José Manuel Garcia emphasized the significant implications of this discovery, which serves to reinforce the need for a paradigm shift in our understanding of cyanobacteria. Contrary to the prevailing notion that these organisms function independently, the study proposes the idea that they form a complex network, interacting with one another. This premise holds great importance, given that cyanobacteria are the predominant photosynthetic organisms on Earth, serving as the vital lungs of the oceans and playing an indispensable role in sustaining life as we know it. Under the leadership of Principal Investigator Maria del Carmen Munoz, a multidisciplinary team consisting of various departments and institutes such as the UCO's Departments of Biochemistry, Molecular Biology and Cell Biology, the Maimonides Institute for Biomedical Research, Cordoba, the University of Cadiz's University Institute of Marine Research, the Institute of Plant Biochemistry and Photosynthesis, Seville, and renowned oceanographer Sally W. Chisholm from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, who discovered the Prochlorococcus genus of cyanobacteria, has been mobilized for the study in recent years. After thoroughly examining existing literature on nanotubes in various bacteria, the research team has conducted a series of experiments in the lab since the study commenced. These experiments involve the utilization of fluorescent proteins and their subsequent monitoring through fluorescence microscopy, as well as the use of electron microscopy to analyze and characterize these structures. Through these tests, the team has successfully confirmed the occurrence of material exchange between cells. Furthermore, Elisa Angulo, the study's first author and a doctoral student, has revealed that this transfer of substances not only takes place within the same lineage of cyanobacteria, but also between different genders. This finding has been verified not only in laboratory settings, but also in natural ocean samples. In the realm of scientific discovery, it is common for new findings to give rise to a multitude of intriguing questions. In this case, the revelation of molecule transfer prompts inquiries into whether this exchange serves as a means of support or a weapon in the struggle for survival. Additionally, researchers wonder about the possibility of other substances being exchanged beyond proteins, and whether there exists a correlation between this mechanism and the availability of food in the surrounding environment. Elisa Angulo, a dedicated scholar at the University of Cordoba, has embarked on a recent expedition across the vast ocean, specifically studying the behavior of these organisms in oligotrophic regions of the Pacific, characterized by a scarcity of nutrients. In the coming months, further knowledge about these marine bacteria, the pioneers of photosynthesis and one of the oldest forms of life known to humanity, will be acquired. Their study holds immense significance not only for ecosystems, but also for comprehending fundamental biological processes. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.